friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I am a Seint beauty artist and a lover of all things beauty. And here on my channel, I talk about a variety of different things, mostly related to skincare, beauty, mid-size fashion, nails, pretty much anything and everything that I think might be helpful. I am a full-time working mama in the corporate world, and I do YouTube and Seint and a couple other things on the side. So I like to just share my tips and tricks. So welcome to the family. Hopefully you subscribe, hit the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So today's video is, I honestly didn't think I was going to do this video, but I felt like I needed to share it because I am absolutely shook. Every single time I put on mascara, I'm like, what? This is crazy. So if you guys don't know anything about me, or to give you a little bit about me, I have very, very fine hair. So you can see here, I have a lot of hair, but it is very, very fine, and it is barely, like, it's light colored. My eyebrows, I have to dye them in order to see them, and my eyelashes, you can see here, are very, very, very light. So I have to put mascara on for you to be able to see them. And my whole life, I have struggled with having very, very fine hair and not having gorgeous eyelashes. My sister was gifted with gorgeous eyelashes. They're long, they're thick, they're dark. She's same coloring as me, but for some reason, I got the translucent, skinny, short eyelashes. So I've always been like on the lookout for a mascara that lengthens them and volumizes them. And really, I want that thick, bold, like tarantula looking lashes. I want people to be able to see them. I don't want them to be too spidery. I don't want them to be too short. I want big, bold, long, thick tarantulas on my face. That is what I'm looking for. So I've always been looking for a mascara that does that. Then I came across the DIY lashes world. And if you go through my videos, you know that I am a DIY lash lover. I have worn them for several years. I started on the bandwagon before they were even a thing. Now I feel like everybody and their cousins doing them, which is great because they're fabulous. But recently, I would say in the past 3-4 months, I have jumped on the bandwagon as far as using a eyelash serum consistently for 3 to 4 months, and I'm shook at the results. I have used eyelash serums in the past, and I have never had these results before. And to be honest, the only reason why I tried it was not all, but a lot of people on my Instagram, the influencers that I follow, were promoting it, and I'm like, It's funny because I never hear you talk about this serum before, and then all of a sudden they were having this massive sale, and everybody started jumping on it. And all those influencers that I had no idea actually used it, they never talked about it, all of a sudden started talking about it in the sale. So I was like, I don't think it's gonna work, but let me just go ahead and jump on the bandwagon. I purchased it. Like I said, I've been using it 3 to 4 months and absolutely shook. So I'm going to do my mascara so that you guys can see, and I'm going to be, well, first I gotta tell you about the product because well, you know about the product because I'm labeling it, but it is this Hello Lash Lash Therapy. So it comes like this. It is nothing fancy. It has a wand just like everything else. And basically once a day, you just put it on the top of your lashes. They say do not put it on your bottom because it will naturally go on the bottom, or only put it on the top because it will naturally like go onto the bottom lashes or whatever. They also say do not use it more than once a day because it's not going to promote anything more or make your lashes grow any faster. You only need to do it once a day. So I've been doing it once a day, and like you can see, I don't know, you can't see, but when I put lashes on or my mascara on, you will be able to see. Couple things about it. First thing is it is pricey. It is $128. I do have a 10% off code, which doesn't take that much off. It is very, very pricey. Now, I think they say that this is 6 months worth. I can tell you that I still have a lot of it. It is still very, very dry. So $128 every 6 months to me isn't that big of a deal because I got fabulous lashes now. Like they're not as good as DIY lashes, but I have not used DIY lashes probably in 3 months. Definitely not in 2 months because I do my lashes with mascara and I'm like, why do I need DIY lashes? I got this stuff. Like my lashes are just fine. I don't need anything. So now I'm doing DIY lashes more as a special event and not as everyday necessity, or I have a big meeting coming up, so I want to look a little bit more put together, I'm just using mascara. So that's the first thing. That's cool. The second thing about it, so it is pricey, it is not affordable, and I know that that's like the number one reason why people don't want to purchase it, because hey, I can go to Ulta and I can purchase the ordinary lash serum for like $8 or $9 or whatever it is. And I can tell you, I've tried that before. It does not work. I've tried Monette. I've tried, the only one that I really haven't tried is Rodin Fields or something like that. But that one is just as expensive. Now, I have heard people rave about that. I just jumped on this one, and what I liked about it was it actually worked. It does not make my lashes sensitive, or it does not make my eyes sensitive. I don't feel any burning when I'm using it. I don't get any sensitivity. I haven't had any styes. I haven't had any eye irritation, anything like that. It has worked just fine. I've used some other ones in the past, like the ordinary one did make my eyes burn. The Monette one just didn't work. I used it and used it and used it, just didn't work. I actually use it on my brows and it works fine for my brows, but it just doesn't work for my eyes. But this one works and it doesn't make my eyes burn. So that's what I like about it. So the couple things I will tell you is I do like the fact that they tell you only use it once a day and not that you're going to get any more benefits, because to me, if a company was all about money, then they would be like, oh, use it twice a day because you're going to get fabulous lashes twice a day, and you wouldn't know anything different and you'd be going through this product just as quickly. So I like the fact that they say, no, it's not going to make it go any quicker or anything like that. Once a day is all you need. They also say not to put it on your bottom lashes, but I can tell you, I don't feel like it is actually transferring on my bottom lashes because I have not seen any difference in my bottom lashes overall. Like maybe there's a slight difference, but it's not like as drastic as my top lashes. So I have been kind of going in and very gently putting it under my bottom lashes because I do want them to be a little bit thicker and longer because they're a little spidery still. So that's the only thing. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to show you this Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. And the reason why I picked this one was I used to absolutely love it in the past. And when I did a recent Battle of the Mascaras reel on my Instagram, I was like, what the heck? Why did I like this? This stuff is horrible. And I realized the fact was my lashes were really crappy. And so I have since been using it, and I have since been absolutely loving it and realizing why I loved it. And I'm going back through the mascaras that I tried in my Battle of the Mascara series, and I'm redoing them, and I'm like, this is actually a decent, like, come to find out, if you have decent lashes, then you can wear a variety of mascaras because your lashes will be fabulous, and you can go thicker, or, you don't have to look for something that does everything. You can look for something that just does one thing and not put, not to go through it again, but you guys, I have not had lashes like this in my whole entire life. To me, this looks like very, very similar to some of the DIY lashes that I have used and done videos on. No joke. Like, look at that. That's crazy. I will input some photos in here, specifically the one where I was doing the DIY lashes, so you can see, or DIY lashes, the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes, but I will just kind of show you what it looks like before and after, like what my puny little lashes look like without the stuff. I'm just shook. I'm shook. Now, this eye has always been my better eye. I feel like you have a good eye and a bad eye, but this one has always been the better eye, and these lashes are a little bit longer on this side. And I think the reason for that is, they're sisters, not twins, so there's just going to be different hair follicles. But then secondly, I think this side might be longer because I sleep on this side, and I smash my face into the pillow. So I'm sure there's some like damage that's happening there. So if you are looking for a lash serum that actually works, that doesn't irritate your eyes, then definitely try Hello Lash. I was hesitant. Like I said, it is not a cheap product. It is $128 for 6 months. That is pricey, and that is going to be out of a lot of people's budget, but it works. And I will continue to use it because it works and I absolutely love it. And I don't have to wear DIY lashes on the daily because I can just throw in some mascara and have these gorgeous lashes. Now, again, they are not like, I know some people may have better eyelashes than me. A lot of people have better hair than me, but for me, this is amazing. Like even my daughter, who has gorgeous eyelashes, commented about a month ago and was like, "Are you wearing DIY lashes?" And I'm like, "No." And she's like, "It looks like you're wearing DIY lashes. Like your lashes have gotten really long." And I'm like, it's the eyelash serum that I've been using. So just wanted to come on here if you guys are looking for something. If you're going to spend the money anyways, definitely give Hello Lash a love. You have to be consistent with it. So with anything, consistency is key. So you have to use it every single day, but it's super easy and quick. I wash my face, I put it on, and I go to bed, and that's it. Super, super easy. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please let me leave down below if you've tried this before. Did it work for you? Did it not work for you? Do you have another serum that you absolutely love? Please let other viewers know, but hopefully this video helped and these videos can show, or these photos show you like this stuff really, really works. I will leave the coupon code down below. Like I said, it's 10%. So a little bit, every little bit counts. So feel free to use that. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Until next time, bye.